Hey guys, it's Six Gaming. Today, we're going to be doing a cap gun review out of this purple one. How to load the cap, because I already have the cap right here. Press this
Ace Fidget Spinner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is his awesome sister Paige.
I love you. So you just press this little button right here. Press it right here. That pops up. And then you take this little thing, slide it in there, kind of like that. Then you take this little nail piece, put it in there, then close it. How to fire is you push trigger, and we're going to put the cap in. Got it. It's going to go shoot down.
Ace, Dad told me to do that outside.
Sorry.
Garage.
I'm making a video.
Quit. Don't do it again.
Can I do it in the garage?
Watch.
My mom told me that I have to go do it in the garage.
Hello.
I mean, it sparked. It's really dark. Oh, here's our garage. You like it? It's the best. Okay, in my garage right now, we are gonna be doing this. Like, subscribe, and comment, discussion below. Bye guys, bye.